I am here with Jimbo the guy, and we are here with the 2025 Hyundai ELANTRA N on Powamoto. This thing rips. First of all, thank you God, because I've got 300 plus horsepower, she's tuned. I've got the twin exhaust. I've got the wet clutch with the paddle shifters, the back seats, and we're doing an upgrade. So today's video is about how to upgrade your seats on your Hyundai ELANTRA N on Powamoto. Look at this thing. Look at the front lip. It's got air curtain right here. It flows air. It's got the fat, beefy Brembo brakes. It's got the meaty tires. It's got the turbo. And let's check out these seats. They light up with the N logo, which stands for the Nuremberg, and they're hard as a rock, but they're beautiful. So what I decided to do for the long trips is put in the leather. You need a Marine. I've got a Marine. The Marines are here. Hey Marine, how you doing today? You're on Powamoto. First, step one, open the box.
Read the instructions.
Step two, thank you, Jimbo. Read the instructions. Okay, let's go.
All right, let's see what we got here.
Look, they got the blue stitching to match the seats. Stay tuned. This is gonna be a good video. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. And this seat, what do you guys think so far? How's it looking? Jimbo's got it on quick. This guy's amazing. If you got a Marine veteran, give him a thumbs up, man. Look at the blue pipe stitching. Check out the logo of the crest. Okay, I think we got this upside down, Jimbo. Let's fix that. We'll turn that upside down. Oh, look at Sky Champion. He's doing seat installations on a Saturday for you. He's showing you how to get it done on Powamoto. The guy, the seats, the guy, the legend. Let's go for a ride. Well, let's get the other seat done first. We're working on the passenger seat. And boy, she's looking good. For all things automotive, motorsports, and motorcycles, it's Powamoto. Subscribe today. So I got this car for me. I needed a daily driver. It came straight from the heavens above. It's almost $40,000. 2025 Hyundai ELANTRA N. Turbo, 4-cylinder, fast as heck. I loved everything except the seats seemed to be very stiff, and I was gonna damage them because they're microfiber suede. So I decided to upgrade and do something beautiful called the upgraded seats. Check them out for all things upgradable and how-to videos on Powamoto. Subscribe today.